Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM. PJ here, and in this episode we're going to be looking at this made in England by Lesney Matchbox series number 55, or it actually says this 73, as though they couldn't quite make their mind up. And this is the Mercury, and across the middle there, across one of the rear axle, it says it's a Superfast. So I guess this is when they first changed in wheel types to this thinner Superfast setup. But anyway, what we've got a couple of pets in the back of here, a couple of dogs by the look of it. It says Mercury on the boot. We've got a registration of MC704-3. So let's get the tools out and see what we can do with this one. And I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. Welcome back, folks, to the reveal of the Made in England by Lesney Matchbox series number 55 or 73 Superfast Mercury. Well, what have we done? Well, we've changed the colour for a start off, and I think this blue looks fantastic. It's really kind of brought this model up to date. We've refurbished the wheels with some black matte, and obviously I've gone over it with the Molotow chrome pen, which has made them pop. All the chrome had disappeared on the previous version of this. As I say, I've given the body a new top coat. We've painted the interior, including the pet dogs, to add a bit of realism, if you like. Polished the base, and for such as a little car, I'm really pleased with this one. So, if you like what we've done here, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to come and join me and my friends by joining our Facebook channel, the DMC. And you can come and join a bunch of my friends, including Lee from Diecast Fixer Uppers, Michael from Gravesend, Australia Diecast Salvage, Laz from Lazilo Collectibles, Martin from Martin Dare's Dinky Restorations, KC from Metal Mania 3D and the Diecast Workshop, myself, PJ Midlife Models, Moz from Moz6510 Models, Pete from PB's Retro Restorations, Tony Hughes, Don from Diecast Flashback, Neil from Hellboy59, Paul from Pimp My Diecast, Ron from Sumo Diecast. These are just a few of the builders that at one time or another have popped into the tavern to say hello, sit down, have a drink and chat about the hobby we love. So if you feel like you want to come and join us, you'll find us on Facebook in the tavern on a Friday night at 9 o'clock. So this is PJ signing off from this one, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers.